Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 13th jQuery tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to start programming the chatbot. So in the previous tutorial we didn't work on the chatbot itself, but we created all this nice user interface and added all these features. So in this tutorial we are actually going to start coding for our chatbot. Anyway, before I continue, I want to create a CSS class for the bot because in the last tutorial we created the CSS class for the username, which is u. So this u is within a span element, which is styled, and it's blue and bold. And we want to do the same for the bot so that we can see that the bot is writing. Alright, let's just go ahead and add some changes to our CSS. And you can actually just go ahead and copy the username class and rename it to the bot. And the color, let's just pick green color for the bot. So the next step is I want to create a function username which will ask for the username. And if you don't know what a function is, well, it's the code we wrote here is actually we wrote it within a function. So function is pretty much a piece of code, and if you want to split your code into smaller parts, so if you want to have every piece of code to do its task, function is one of the best things how to solve it. So we are going to use the function username to ask the username. And so let's just go ahead and display the message on the container. So I can just copy this container selector and its HTML function. And let's just go ahead and say span class bot. Make sure you use some other parentheses when having like nested parentheses. I hope you got it. And so let's say chatbot colon and then close the span, and then we can type our message saying like hello, my name is chatbot, and no, let's just say hello, what is your name? Well, because it's obvious what the chatbot's name is. Hello, what is your name? And that's it. And before saving this document and reloading the page, we have to call this function, otherwise this function just won't run. And make sure you call the function within this function, since this jQuery sign function, what it does, I explained it to you in, I don't remember which tutorial, but I explained it to you. It means that this code within this function will execute only when the page is loaded. So this is something what we need. And let's just go ahead and say username and empty brackets, which will call the function username. So let's just go ahead and reload the page and see what's going to happen. Yeah, so it did. You see the chatbot? It's green and it's asking for our name. So that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorials we are going to continue coding the chatbot. And now it's already asking our name and has all this nice user interface and stuff. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the 14th tutorial. And have a nice day. Bye bye.